Well, hello again, young scholars. It's time to explore another career that you could have one day. Can you guess what career we're looking at today? If you guess dentist, you're correct. Let's meet our professional.
Hi, my name is Dr. Scott Jensen, and I am a dentist for kids.
How did your education prepare you to be good at your work?
My education is critical. Many years of learning sciences and learning about teeth, mouth, and gums. That's allowed me to very quickly look at some x-rays or look at gum tissues and teeth and get a really good idea of what the problem is and how to solve it.
What tools do you use to get the job done?
Oh, we have so many tools. One of the main tools is just my team members. We have digital x-rays and sensors. We have small mirrors to look in different parts of your mouth. And we have lasers and other tools that help us do all the procedures we need to do.
What super skill do you use in your career?
I'd say I use problem solving. Every day people come in with a problem and they don't know what's wrong, and I have to go through lots of tests to find out what's really going on and help them get relief.
What is the funniest thing about your career?
Every single day I come to work and I don't know what I'm going to be wearing, whether it's a Star Wars suit or Hulk shoes. It's really fun to see the kids get excited about having the Incredible Hulk work on their teeth.
What do you have to be smart at to be a dentist?
You have to be patient and smart enough to know you may not get it right the first time, and so not get discouraged and keep trying and studying. You don't have to get it right the first time, but if you stick to it, you'll be able to achieve whatever you want.
What an amazing career! Remember, young scholars, with a degree in dental surgery, you can earn $70 per hour. Just imagine all the things you could be.